So if you've been looking through my videos, you'll be noticing that I've been making not a flamethrower and using the fogger. And it all started from a whole, say 2 little paper wasps nests. Now, initially, I thought I could be using some other kinds of methods, like just fire on a stick, shooting them down with a pellet rifle, but due to the nest being right there in the garage, I didn't want to damage the structure. So, remembering some other things that I saw online, the next best thing I could think of was using a drone. So, right here, I had the most simplest one that I could think of to use out of my little possession was the DJI Tello. Well, needless to say, after 6-7 attempts, this thing uses Bluetooth with a phone. It kept getting stuck at the corner right in front of the garage door, right under the eaves. It started losing connection and would just hang there, stall there, got stuck, and just completely just crap out on me. So, after a little frustration, I moved up to Big Brother and used the Mavic Air 2. Now, unlike the little tello that uses a Bluetooth Wi-Fi, this sucker uses the entire iPad mini, Wi-Fi, everything. This one-time shot, no issues. The only thing that I had to do was I had to fight with the sensors on the back. And there's a few more sensors here in the front that prevented me from going straight at the nests. But after a little bit of maneuvering, I was able to cut the little bastards in one go.